In 100 BC, one man discovered unlimited power, then buried it forever. Hero of Alexandria just solved human suffering. Or did he?
Rome's armies already conquered the known world. What happens when they conquer time itself?
He built the second one in 3 days. The implications were immediate.
Rome's navy could reach Britain in 2 days instead of 2 weeks. Unlimited production, unlimited expansion, unlimited slavery.
He saw 2,000 years of suffering condensed into 1 generation.
The scholars gave him an impossible choice.
If word gets out, the library is doomed. We must act now.
Every conquest accelerated. Every rebellion crushed faster. The Earth would be hollow before the calendar reached year 0.
He realized progress without wisdom is just accelerated collapse.
He made a decision that night that changed nothing. Or did it change everything?
The first industrial revolution died in that moment. Almost.
Knowledge doesn't die. It waits.
50 years later, someone remembered. But he showed them mining applications first. Not weapons. Not yet.
Every tool is a weapon if you hold it right.
Hero lived long enough to hear rumors from Rome. He knew it had begun anyway. He wrote 13 warnings hidden in his published works. Only 3 survive. Within a century, steam was everywhere. The Romans called it progress.
But the legions still marched on foot. The admirals refused steam warships. They feared something.
They feared equilibrium. When everyone has the weapon, no one has advantage. Hero's nightmare. Not Roman domination, but permanent technological warfare. One emperor finally read the warnings. He understood too late.
He tried to put the fire back in the box.
Limit all steam apparatus to water and grain. Nothing else. Ever.
Forbidden knowledge becomes expensive knowledge. The black market was born.
4 centuries to bury it again. This time, under theology and ash.
But 3 monasteries kept the secret breathing, waiting for humanity to mature. 1700 years later, in England, someone found it again.
He built it anyway, but he never credited Hero. Perhaps shame, perhaps fear of the question.
Everything Hero feared came true, just 2,000 years late.
History remembers Hero as a curiosity, a footnote, a toy maker.
But what if he succeeded? What if delaying it 2,000 years saved us?
Or are we still not ready?